This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by askstruck. Spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom first-floor condo with in-unit laundry is now available for sale. Take advantage of this rare opportunity to own a piece of paradise in the highly sought-after La Bonne Vie condos. This amenity-filled community boasts tennis courts, a beautiful pool, handball and basketball courts. Leasing is permitted after 1 year of ownership, and residents are allowed to have 2 pets with a total combined weight of 25 pounds. Don't miss out on the chance to live the good life in this desirable community. Contact us today to schedule a viewing of this fantastic condo. For more information, review the details below or contact askstruck at 646-594-5656.